The next theorem, chords of a circle equidistant from the center of a circle are congruent. We have two chords given here, chord AB and chord CD. They are saying they are equidistant from the center, that is OP equal to OQ. In the previous theorem, we had to prove OP equal to OQ. Here they have already said that OP is equal to OQ. What have we to do here? We have to prove that if they are equidistant from the center, then the chords are congruent to each other. That is, chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Okay, so let us see how we start. We have the circle here with center O, segment OP perpendicular to this chord AB. So we write segment OP perpendicular to chord AB. Same way we have segment OQ here. This is also perpendicular to the chord CD. So segment OQ perpendicular to chord CD, and also given to us OP is equal to OQ. Okay, so OP equal to OQ. That is, they said that they are equidistant. These two chords are equidistant from the center. Therefore, OP is equal to OQ. Now, what are we to prove? Chord AB congruent to chord CD. So, we write here chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Now we have a construction to do, and what construction have we to do? That is what is done in dotted lines. Join segment OA and segment OD. So draw segment OA and segment OD. Now we look at the two triangles here. We have triangle OPA and triangle OQD. Okay, so we see that these two triangles are already right angle triangles. So I name them triangle OPA and triangle OQD are right angled triangles. They have a right angle each in they have one angle as a right angle in each of these triangles. Therefore, they are right angle triangles. Now, look at their hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is OA and here the hypotenuse is OD, and both these hypotenuse are nothing but the radii of the same circle. Therefore, hypotenuse OA is congruent to hypotenuse OD. So, I write here hypotenuse OA is congruent to hypotenuse OD. Reason, radii of the same circle. Once we have written the hypotenuse, now we have to take a pair of sides. Now this sides, we know that segment OP congruent to segment OQ, which was given. So we write now directly segment OP congruent to segment OQ given because the distance of the chords from the center of the circle was congruent to each other. Therefore, we can say now the hypotenuse is congruent, one pair of sides are congruent. Therefore, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OQD by the hypotenuse side test. Now, if they are congruent by the hypotenuse side test, then we can also say that segment AP is congruent to segment QD. Right? So, I write here segment AP is congruent to segment QD. And how do I know this? By CSCT, which is got that when two triangles are congruent by a certain test, then the segment AP is, if a pair of sides are congruent, that is by corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Now, if segment AP is congruent to segment QD, then AP is equal to QD. AP is equal to QD, we number this as 1, but we look at the figure and we see that AP here will be half of AB. Okay, AP is equal to half of AB, and also look here, DQ is half of this chord CD. Now, how do we know that is half of AB and half of CD? Because they are the perpendiculars drawn. Here, if you see, OP and OQ are the perpendiculars drawn from the center of the circle to the chord, and they bisect the chord. So, they divide the chord into two equal parts. Therefore, we have AP equal to half AB and DQ equal to half CD. And AP is equal to QD from 1. So, if you see in 1, we have already said that AP is equal to QD. Now, if AP is equal to QD, then what happens? Half AB equal to half CD. Right? Because AP is half AB and DQ is half CD. Therefore, half AB is equal to half CD. Now, if you cancel the half on both the sides or multiply with 2 on both the sides, what happens? 2 and 2 cancel. What will be left? Only AB equal to CD. And if AB equal to CD, it means that segment AB congruent to segment CD. And that is what we had to prove, that chord AB congruent to chord CD. We have proved here segment AB congruent to segment CD, or we can write chord AB congruent to chord CD.